Are you tired of being the most overworked employee in your own business? If you're a solopreneur who's successful but completely trapped in your to-do list, working 60-hour weeks just to keep everything running, you're not alone. I'm Mike Allton, and I've been exactly where you are, building multiple businesses while drowning in administrative tasks, wondering how other entrepreneurs scale effortlessly while you're stuck doing everything yourself. That's why I created AI for Solopreneurs, the AI Hat podcast. This isn't about robots or complex theory. It's about practical systems that handle the grunt work so you can focus on growth. Every episode, I share real AI workflows I'm using in my own business, plus conversations with fellow solopreneurs who've figured out how to reclaim 15 or more hours per week and scale without hiring staff.
Bring the human aspect to AI and you will make AI work for you.
What AI does, it gives you the information, but it doesn't give you the personality and the character.
It doesn't mean you're cheating. It doesn't mean you're doing a shortcut. It just means you're making your own life easier so that you can keep building your own business, which is the important part of it.
Ready to stop being the bottleneck in your own success? Follow AI for Solopreneurs on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, YouTube, or wherever you listen to great podcasts. New episodes drop every Tuesday.